Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Tuesday. We're gonna follow Kathy around to see what sold for us today.
Hey guys, all right, box A here. All right, so these are basically making like $2 or $3. They're Dr. Scholl's. I don't know. I mean, obviously I think they're Dr. Scholl's, but they're just called Scholl and not Dr. Scholl's. And then they're bioprint, but they were only sized in Euro, so they were at 38. Which different brands have different sizes for their Euros. Like some that could be a 7, some that could be an 8. And I could not find, for the life of me, a size chart for this exact brand. So I did measurements and everything like that. Anyways, they've been sitting forever, I think well over a year. So I got my first offer ever of $12 and I just accepted because, yeah, I don't want to deal with those anymore. And I paid $5.99, so $12. Posh takes $3. I make $9, so $2-3 profit there, but
At least it's not a loss.
This is just one of my son shirts that is the brand T Collection, and it sold for $13.60, free shipping on eBay. Shipping was $3.51 out of that. I probably paid $12 to $15 for the shirt to begin with, so making back probably about $8. Right, S. This I thought would never sell, but it did. So this is that, what was it, like Super Monsters or something, Play-Doh set from the bins.
Oh, yeah.
Well, this is part of the stimulus check challenge, although, again, another like $2 to $3 profit here. I kind of bought this because I thought my kids would want it, but we pulled down our Play-Doh bin and it was already stuffed full, so they didn't need another set.
Yeah.
So I listed it, and it finally sold for $9.96 free shipping, but it's a little heavy, so it's like 11 ounces, so I had to pay $4.38 to ship that out, plus the fee, so not losing money again, but not worth it for sure. This was a pretty decent sale. So these are just the brand Earth, and then they're the Calso flip-flop sandals. I don't believe they make these anymore, but I didn't know that when I picked them up. I listed them on eBay. Somebody messaged me and told me I had a typo or something, which I was thankful for, but fixed the typo, and then they sold like the next day. But they also told me that I think that they're discontinued, so or something like that. So if you ever see these, they seem like they're selling for a good amount, even though I don't think Earth, like, I feel like these only retailed for like 30 to 40, but I could be wrong. But I sold them for $31.80 plus shipping. Okay. So like almost, basically the buy was like all in $40-something with tax. So, and I had paid $8.31 for those, so pretty good.
Do you think it was a viewer that that told us about the typo?
I don't know if it was a viewer, but I think somebody was just searching, because then after I responded to her message, thank you, I noticed I had a watcher, so maybe she was just watching them for herself. I don't know.
If you happen to be a viewer, thank you so much for the
person that bought them
tip.
Wasn't the same person who messaged me about them, so I don't know. But yeah, that was nice. I mean, it's not the first time someone's like corrected one of my listings, so it's cool though. It wasn't like a super big typo. I wrote it right in the title, but in the description I wrote size 19, which is not even a size. So, and they're like a women's 10. This is just a boys Ralph Lauren button down. I have $4.34 into this. It was kind of one of those Kiddizen bundles where I bought a couple things for my kids. The seller had 50% off a bundle, so I grabbed a few extra things. I did take that to JBF. It didn't sell, so I just listed it on eBay a couple days ago actually, and it sold for $13.60 plus shipping. So making a little money there. All right, this next one is a 3-item bundle, so CL.
What are you doing over here, Reese? Out cold.
First up is this, just a Gap like reindeer cardigan sweater. That was my son. These are all my sons, so I'm actually losing money, but that's okay. AQ. Wait, is this a Q? I guess we'll find out. Also sold these, so I'll just pull them all in here and talk about them in a minute. But the part of the bundle was this peak shirt. It's like a Benjamin Franklin, I think. And it has a quote on the back. And then BF. So another peak shirt. This one just says like "Don't feed the bears" and something else on the back. I don't remember. But yeah, a buyer on Mercari asked if I'd bundle the 3 for $50, so I said yes. I wasn't sure if she meant free ship or paid shipping, but since they were all my kids, and the reindeer sweater's been sitting a while, so has the Benjamin Franklin tee, so I was like, I'll just do free shipping just to move them. So yeah, $50 free shipping. They are over a pound, so I paid $7.99 to ship, and then the Mercari fee, I think I'm making back like $35. I probably have 20, 30, like 40 into all 3 items. So not losing much, and my kids wore them.
Yeah, which overall it's not really a loss in our eyes. We're just getting that money back. We got what, 2 shirts?
Yeah.
2 shirts for our kids to use for $5.
Yeah.
Can't beat that.
And then this was those Carhartt shorts. These sold on Poshmark today. Someone offered me $30. I was happy to accept. I have $3.99 into those from that newest thrift store we've been talking about.
Sounds like a kiddo coming up.
Yeah, hope the kiddo has clothes on. Just wake up. Right.
Sorry guys, our kid woke up from nap and wanted some time on his iPad.
Alright, so a couple more sales. These are just some Minnie Melissas. They were fairly dirty. I cleaned them as best as I could, but they're still kind of dirty. So I listed them lower than I normally would. Well, I think I listed them at 30, which is actually not that low. So, and then I set an offer of $23 with discount shipping, and the buyer accepted. So I only have $3.84 into these shoes, so still a pretty decent little sale. Took me forever to list them just because of, I don't know, when stuff looks like dirty, I just feel bad listing it, but they sold in a couple days, so I just need to get over it and list whatever I have to list. Alright, this was the best sale of the day. Ah!
Oop, the saving grace of the day too, right?
Yeah, I think if we like to make around $200 net profit a day is what I talk about. Without this, we didn't hit that today yet. We're pushing close, but yeah, if I didn't sell this, I would have only made like $60 or something profit today, which is not a great day. So, but then again, like the shirts that were our son's, 4 items, those aren't profit,
right.
But it's still money going in our bank account. So we're still getting $35 back here, $8, $9 back here. So it's still money, but yeah. Alright, so yeah, that 5 night at Freddy's, I mentioned, at first I thought I was going to sell it for 20, then I scanned it again, saw that they're selling for like 100. There was only 1 listed left, like 3 or 4 had sold in the last 90 days, but the only one listed currently was for 129, I think, plus shipping. So I undercut it just a little at 120 plus shipping. Then we have a little sale running, so the buyer paid $109.15 free shipping. So yeah, not plus shipping. So anyways, this is light, and I could have shipped it first class, but because of the high dollar, and I only have $1 into it, so basically all profit, I went ahead and shipped it priority. We were gonna do first class and add
add insurance.
It comes with tracking, yeah, the insurance, but that was gonna be like an additional $3.80, and with the almost $6 it would have cost to ship, it was basically less than $1 difference, and priority is going to get there faster. I don't know. I just feel better with priority, and we've never done first class where we've added any insurance. And even though, packages never really go missing.
Yeah. For
the most part, I don't know. I usually ship $100 sales priority, so that's what we're doing. So $109.15, $10.13 is how much it costs to ship out. Paid $1 for it. I think I profited close to $90 off of this. So. Really good sale.
Very nice. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get this stuff all packed up and ready to go, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, got that stuff all packed up and ready to go, and we did not have any more sales come in, right?
Nope.
No, so pretty below average day for us as of late, right? Not too bad, but could be worse.
I don't know if you all noticed, it's still kind of messy in here, but yesterday this table was piled with clothes.
All the clothes transformed into shoes.
So I got everything that was on that table was photographed yesterday, which was like 60 something items, and I listed 21 of them last night. And we bagged those and put them away already today. But yeah, this purple bin and the blue IKEA bag are now the clothes. So those will get listed and put away.
Folded and, yep.
And the next round of big photography section is going to be all these shoes.
So we spent this morning getting like all the numbers
rack
off.
Of shoes, so that's probably another 60 or something pairs. Probably close to 100 if you add those in with it. So yeah, we have our work cut out for us still, but yeah, I'm trying to really get these all done before I bring anything else up here, because I can't stand the mess and
the clutter makes it hard to work.
And it's not like we lose anything, but it's just fresh. I don't know. I like a clean space.
It's not fun stepping over piles all the time when you got stuff all over the floor.
Yeah, I know we've said that before, but yeah, we do have some stuff we picked up at garage sale last weekend, but we kind of don't want to bring that up here until we have more space, because then we'll fill the table with that stuff and then work through that stuff before we fill the table again. So
yeah, and there will be a haul video upcoming with that kind of stuff. We have not recorded it yet, but so
yeah, the other 40 items are already drafted, so I'll be able to get those done.
Yeah. And last week we got like 120 listings up. This week so far 21, and I don't know, we're getting set up for a good week of listings. We'll probably get another
jury duty. Like, I want to bring a laptop with me, but I don't know if you're allowed to bring a laptop in the courthouse. I mean, obviously I'll have my phone, but pretty much all our listings now are through List Perfectly, which is on the laptop. I mean, I could list them from my phone and just not do List Perfectly that day, but
yeah, I feel like it's been more than 10 years since I've been called, so
yeah, it's been a while for me. So
I remember there was like metal detectors and stuff. You'd have to go through security, so I don't know about a bag and laptops. I'm sure, I don't know.
If you guys, when is this video going up? If you see this video and you've had jury duty lately and you could bring your laptop, let me know.
Yeah,
because I want to do work or something while I'm there. I don't want to just play on my phone. So. I don't know. I don't like wasting time like that. So
yeah,
if I'm sitting there alone, I want to do something.
Yeah. So that's going to do it for this. What do you think, Reese? He's been sleeping there the whole time.
Is he alive?
Hasn't even moved. Reese.
You want to get some carrots?
Oh, you want a carrot?
Oh.
You look so old when you sleep like that. Anyway, guys, that is going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to see you in the next one. Bye.